Hi everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, we're going to test out this flashlight by Olight. So Olight reached out to me and asked me if I could test out their latest flashlight. And this one here is the Oclip Ultra. Let's open it up. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see what it looks like. Always heard these flashlights are like one of the best. Nice packaging. Put that right there. Let's see what else. Even has a little pull tab to remove it. It's pretty tight. Okay, so right over here, thank you for being part of the Olight family. This gives you some quick instructions. Just so you guys know, this paper, it's got like a velvet feel to it. Super soft. Already you can tell they take pride of their product. So here is USB charging cable. And a really thick user manual. It's a flashlight, so it can't be that hard. Let's open it up. It's metal. It's magnetic, really strong. Wow, that was hard to pull off. It's a clip. It's a little flap here. There's your USB-C. Even has the little hole so you could put a tether, clip this to your keys. So we got 3 different bulbs there. So Olight, if I press it, okay, can't do a test on it right now because it is dead. All right, I'm gonna put this charging and I'll see you guys back in a bit. Okay, so I have it fully charged. As it was charging, I was reading up on the instructions just to get more familiar with it. And I noticed right over here, read me, it says here that they ship this in lock mode. So to unlock it, you have to press and hold for a few seconds. And there's the light. So right now this is on low mode. If you double tap it, it's supposed to go on full brightness. Wow. Okay, that's pretty bright. So you got that one. And if I hit the toggle, next one is this bottom one here. This one's more of a spot. Once again, if I double tap it, it goes full bright. Wow. Okay, and the third one, this is UV. If I double tap it, doesn't do anything. So it's only one brightness. Okay, let's run some tests on this thing. Okay, let's test this out. So here is, wow. This thing is super bright. Let's try the other mode, the spot. Wow. It really lights up the whole. That's lightning. All right, that was incredible. That lit up my whole backyard. I would have showed a little bit more, but the weather was starting to get a little crazy. It started thundering, so I had to cut it short there. But they really did think about everything. I think everyone should have one of these in their toolbox or just with them. It's got everything you could think of. So it's got the flashlight that's super bright, lit up my whole backyard. You got the spotlight, and you got the UV, and it got a clip, and it's a magnet. Like, it's got everything, and it's rechargeable. You travel, you got the UV. You can check out the bed you're sleeping in with the UV. Well, this is going to be my new toy. I'll be playing around with this quite a bit. This is coming with me to the job sites, that's for sure. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you guys have any comments, please put it below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.